Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house. And today I've got the Boker Ellipse here with me for a review, and we're gonna analyze the look, the sound, and the feel of this guy. First of all, let's just do a quick size comparison. I've got it up against the Boker. This is the Kilo Romeo from Boker also. Bigger knife, of course. This is a little bit smaller, and then I've got it up against this is the Kershaw Asteroid right over there. Also another budget knife right over here. This is the Kershaw 3/4 of a ton right there. And let's do another budget one, also like black G10 GFN kind of scale. This is the Ultra X Hugger, and another Ultra X we have right over here. This is the Omen. Look at this, and why not just something decent, similar size. This is the Kershaw Amplitude, and also let's do it up against the Spyderco Para 3. So you can see very similar range. Look at this, similar handle size, much more cutting edge. So this is a quite decent offering from Boker. 7.75 inch long overall, 4.25 inch long handle, G10 scales. It's good in some ways and it's bad in other ways because visually it's okay. I mean, it's not an ugly knife, it's decent. I appreciate this effort they've done with this side of the G10 with these millings. It's decent, it's 3D, it's contoured. I get it, they thought about that. Good. What I don't get is something else, because I mean, there's something wrong going on here. Let's see. For example, where can we start? So the action. Okay, the action is it's not good. What is this? I mean, yeah, most of the times if you do a push button, yeah, you have to push hard, but due to the design of the flipper tab, look at this, it's just cut like this. There's no chamfering, so it's not pleasant to the fingers, no jimping for the light switch that you're supposed to do. So light switch, this guy opens and it's okay. Push button, yeah, you're gonna be misfiring this guy. There is no chamfering going on the inside. There's no skeletonization going on. The only jimping you're not gonna find is right over here, which is a little bit functional. Yeah, not too bad, honestly. You have two pretty slim standoffs right over here, black coated, lanyard hole drilled out right over here. You have, this is stainless steel, by the way, frame lock, and you have lock stick like this. Yeah, big time. So there's no lock face insert, which would be eliminating the lock stick. You have the lock bar release relief cut, sorry, which is external and very thin. Look at this. So they bent this guy a lot and feel that lock stick right out of the box. If you want to disassemble this guy, you need to remove the pocket clip first, T6 screws, and then this is a T8, and then you're done basically. Very straightforward disassembling. You have bearings going on the inside, which they should give a nicer action, but actually they don't. So overall, yeah, it's not ideal, but the blade is centered. Look at this. Nicely centered. The blade shape is it's all right. There's no crowning going on, just a little bit of jimping right over here, and you have some satin flats and some stone washed hollow grind going on right over here. Basically all belly up to the sharpening choil, and it reveals how thick behind the edge this guy is. Zero chamfering, it's just like straight cut right over here, so it's kind of like sharp. There's no jimping going on the lock bar to release it. Just some indentation right over here cut out in the presentation scale. You've got the classic Magnum by Boker billboarding 440A steel going on right there, and you have this deep carry, tip down only stainless steel pocket clip, very soft. You've got some nice, I mean, not that much, but it's all right. Clip ramp right over there, and check out the sound this guy makes. No, I mean, no, this sound is not. That's it. And lock stick, no, lock stick. So the lock stick is louder actually than the sound this guy makes when you close it. So not really a nice sound whatsoever. The weight is going to be 3.2 ounces, which is good due to the G10 scale right over here. When you squeeze this handle, you're going to have a little bit of hot spot because this guy is, you see, it's not chamfered. This is kind of sharp and protruding, so it's going to be in the way, especially like in this area right over here. Just a little bit of jimping going on. Grip is, it's okay. I mean, it's a little bit thin handle and a little bit too short, so not ideal. Not really much options to choke up because you're gonna miss a little bit of handle right over here. Overall, yeah, I mean, it doesn't feel like weak, but doesn't really feel like extremely solid in the hand. There's some texture going on, which is gonna give a nice grip to this handle right over here. And overall, you got a tiny bit of blade play, but it's not too bad, honestly. Deployment speed is very slow. There's some finger sore if you're gonna do the push button mechanism. Not really a smooth action in any ways. Like, yeah, like this. So even if it's running on bearings, and even if there's a tiny bit of blade play, there's a little bit of false shot, but doesn't really drop shot. You have to shake it quite a bit. No rattling when it's closed. Very simple construction, guys. So the easiness to release the lock, it's okay because of the indentation. Just no detent ball ramp, of course, and a hard step right over here. But overall, it's an alright knife, guys. This is an inexpensive one, so we cannot really like complain that much. Overall, aesthetically, it's quite pleasant. The sound it makes, it's not nice in my opinion. The grip, it's okay with some caveat, but there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.